Hello there, this is Ben Yost with the Direct Lending team, and I hope you're having a great day. Hey, today we're going to go over the age old question of does a mortgage credit pull affect my credit score? The short answer is no, it does not. So you're allowed to have they changed this law about 3, 4 years ago, and you're allowed to have your credit pulled for like a mortgage or a car or furniture 2 or 3 times in a short period of time, which is about 2 weeks. So if that allows you to shop, see how I use these things, shop for a mortgage or like a car. And so again, you can have it pulled 2 or 3 times in a short period of time. They consider about 2 weeks, without it affecting your credit. Hey, and since we're on the credit issue, um, you will see that when you do a mortgage pull, and where this comes from, okay, is that a lot of times when you pull the credit, there's this big 20-point drop. And so everybody thinks, oh, you pull my credit, it dropped. That's not true either. So we're totally negating that myth about a mortgage pull too. Here's the reason it's less. What every industry does, whether it's a car industry, mortgage industry, credit card, furniture, payday loans, you name it, they all have special algorithms that they use to filter the credit reports to best reflect a person that would pay them back. So if you owned a car dealership, you'd want to pull credit that would indicate people who would best, who would most likely pay you back so you don't get any chargebacks and all that kind of stuff. And you don't want the car again after someone's, had it either. So the bottom line is that everybody uses special algorithms. So I use the word filter. They filter the credit to best reflect who would pay them back. And so what that does is on a car pull, all they look at is did you pay your last car back? So if you did that, you'll probably be 20 points higher. On credit cards, you'd be about 10, 15 points lower on each pull. Now, credit cards, you're going to get hit every single time on a credit card. So as soon as you pull the credit, boom, get hits, boom, get hit. Okay. But you'll be hit about 10, 15 points. And I say that because if you're looking for a special card, it's confusing which card to get. Some people apply for 4 or 5 and then they don't get any of them because their credit drops so much. Okay. Again, that doesn't happen on a mortgage car or like furniture. However, when you're going to so on a credit card, you go 10, 15 points. On a mortgage, you're going to drop about 20 points. Okay, so if you're looking at your free report from your credit card and or whatever service you might be getting, you might see like, okay, I'm at 700. But then when they pull your credit on a mortgage, you're at 680. Okay, if you went back and pulled your credit, you know, saw your credit again where you were looking before, it'd still be at 700. It's just because of the way they do mortgages. So on mortgages, what they look at is everything. Whether you're late on a $30 credit card or a $700 a month car payment, you were late, and that's that. And then they wait more for like a lot more for a mortgage, and then it kind of goes down more for a car, more for this, and then it kind of evens out. But the bottom line is that when your credit is lower, it is not because someone pulled your credit. Okay. Consequently, when it's higher. So just keep that in mind. If you have any questions about credit, I hope that helps. So when you pull my credit, please don't call me up and yell and scream at me that I made your score go down because I didn't. That's how everything is well, rigged, so to speak. And so, if you have any questions, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Love to answer any questions you have about your mortgages. Keep in mind my appraisal credit, which is still going on, which you get basically kind of a free appraisal up to 650. I have to say some restrictions apply. If this isn't as smooth or polished, it's because we are live, and so that adds a little bit of its own. So who knows what's going to happen and who knows what I'm going to say. But anyways, give me a call if you have any questions. Love to help you. Love to answer all your questions about a mortgage. I'm going to have an upcoming homebuyer webinar coming up and all that kind of good stuff. And other than that, I hope you have a great day and thanks.